She's doing it.
He's crazy.
Sure.
I'm the star.
Oh, help me!
I have coffee over there. It's gonna spill. See, I'm the star of this show.
Me! Oh! You gotta stay in your chair. Hey, wait, no!
See, I'm still the star.
It's still me!
Stay in your chair.
Hello! I got a third hand.
My name is Polly.
Polly, wanna go?
Jump, jump. Hey, it's a parrot.
Where?
Outside, go get it. Go get Oreo. Choop, 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 choop. See, he's a bird brain. Choop, choop. He missed being a bird brain.
She's mean. She gets whacked me for nothing.
No, he's mean.
No, she's beating me up. Right.
Yes, I'm beating him up. What he said.
She only wishes. Yes, Dad, you chill.
I am.
No, you know what? Hey, no tickling. That's a yes, you are. It's like it's loose.
You're hogging the show.
You're trying to hog it. Whoa.
Okay, let's just stop and watch it now.